Hello there. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. I believe that I did in one of my videos, one of my knife videos. But I sent a Buck 110 anniversary model to Buck 6 or 8 weeks ago, something like that. I had broken the blade on it a long time ago and reshaped the tip of it, and it was used and abused because I don't baby my knives. And I thought, well, Buck has a forever warranty. Let's go ahead and take advantage of that. The warranty did not cover breaking the blade though, but it was cheap, $10 to have a blade replaced, and I think another $6 to have it polished and sharpened. So for $16, so let's see what it looks like if I can get it open. Alright, fine. No more monkeying around. We're just going to do that right there. What is this? This is an invoice. Replacement. Okay. No sheath, broken tip, sharpen, polish, and adjust. It says replacement 110 BRS. I don't want you to ruin your collectible by replacing with this year's blade. We cleaned her up and made her safe to carry, or you can retire her and use this one. To check that out. I thought it was a bit heavier. They gave me a Buck knife. They gave me a new knife. That's incredible. Look here. This is the new one. That's gorgeous. I can't believe they did that. See, the old knife was a collector's model, and I broke it, and they've redone the tip even nicer than I had on it, put a really nice edge on it. But I mean, you can see I've used this knife. It's not been babied or nor anything like that. So that's fantastic. I want to tell you something right now. Buck knives, stand by their warranty. That's awesome. They didn't have to do this right here, but they did. Incredible. Alright. Thank you. Kudos to Buck. That's fantastic. Later.